So welcome everyone. My name is Matt. Today I'll be presenting the MapleLMS platform. MapleLMS is a learning experience and certification assessment platform. MapleLMS scales to fit in different sizes of professional organizations, ranging from nonprofits to member benefit associations, certifying bodies, and professional regulatory bodies. MapleLMS helps to save costs and enhance member experience, and also generate non-dues revenue. So let's just quickly move ahead. Today, we're going to present MapleLMS's learner journey and experience and out-of-the-box integration of MapleLMS with Fonteva, and also how MapleLMS is used to conduct high-stakes certification exams. We'll go through a user journey covering e-commerce, single sign-on, two-way data synchronization, member experience, and also how MapleLMS writes back to Fonteva records. I'll also demo the analytics and reporting and dashboards in Fonteva membership portal built on the LMS data. Let me switch to the demo, and I'm going to show you a member experience portal. Let me just quickly log in as a member. Okay, so now we're into the member portal of Fonteva, and ideally a member or user would log into Fonteva and see an e-commerce store, and members can browse products and buy a course, any subscription, or a certification. Let's just go ahead and pick one of the items here. For example, this webinar. And yeah, here I've added the webinar to the order. We can also include any additional members. We can add any members to this purchase. Once the transaction is completed, the user will be enrolled into this course, and this course would reflect in the My Training section in the member experience portal, and users can then navigate to the course under My Training. So let's go to the My Training section. So here, under My Training, users can access this course, which would redirect them to the MapleLMS dashboard. Now, in case if it's an existing user, the course will be added to the user's catalog. And if it's a new user, then a new user profile gets created within MapleLMS. With the help of a single sign-on, users can access all their learning material and records right from here. And MapleLMS supports both SAML 2.0 and also OAuth-based single sign-on. This ensures that members logged in Fonteva member portal do not need an additional authentication to access MapleLMS or any connected application. So I'm going to go ahead and quickly jump in to LMS. So now we're into the LMS dashboard, and let's just quickly take an overview of what the platform looks like. On the platform, we can see a variety of items. There's a My Courses section that shows you all the courses a user or a learner is enrolled into. A calendar on the right-hand side showing you all upcoming activities that are due. That could be any quizzes, any surveys, maybe webinars, and also a timeline again of upcoming activities. So it could be an assignment, any webinar, so on and so forth. Additionally, your members can also, or let's just say your users, can also access the Fonteva store within MapleLMS with the help of the navigation over here. Now, MapleLMS's AI-suggested learning part encourages members to continue learning and achieve their professional goals. A user can access the course, complete the course, its related activities and assessments. The user can access the progress reports. They can earn badges, credits, and eventually generate certification, certificate of completion, and all these activities are recorded on the transcripts. So let's just quickly go into one of these courses. And I'm going to go ahead and generate a certificate of completion. So yeah, this one. So now we're into the course and we can see a variety of activities along with course completion and some navigation on the left-hand side that helps me navigate to different sections, different modules of this course. I'm going to quickly go ahead and run through and generate a certificate of completion. So we could click on certification of completion and let's just click on get your certificate. Now, when we click on this is how a learner would generate a certificate of completion once the course or the course activity is completed. Now, additionally, I'd like to highlight one item over here. MapleLMS also supports off-the-shelf courses, so we have an integrated library here where users can access more than 10,000 off-the-shelf courses. And as I mentioned earlier, e-commerce store is also integrated with MapleLMS. So MapleLMS integrates with Fonteva e-commerce, also with Shopify integration, and also MapleLMS has its own core e-commerce module. Currently, we're looking at a user profile. This is also one of the most important parts of an LMS or within MapleLMS. If we look at the user profile, you'll find all the user data, such as credits, certificates, badges, course history, and much more. You see gamification badges here, and these badges can be configured within a course, and this data gets synchronized with Fonteva in the form of learning data, and members and administrators can view this data. Let me quickly switch to the member experience portal from where members navigate to MapleLMS. This is how a member will see their profile within Fonteva member profile. Learning data is written back by MapleLMS and admins can see it for all the members. Now here, we navigated into the assessment tab and we can see the same user data within Fonteva member portal. So I showed you data in member access portal. Now I'm going to show you how it will be visible to the administrators in the Fonteva membership portal. So let's just quickly switch to that. Here, so the data generated within MapleLMS is written back to Fonteva membership portal in real time, and administrators can view all the member data in contacts, such as any purchase history, course enrollments, assessments, activities, credits, badges, certificates, and transcripts within the Fonteva membership portal. And this data can be viewed in the membership portal and reports and dashboards. Now, administrators can also generate custom reports with the help of this data within Fonteva. So let's just take a look at that. These kinds of reports, custom reports, can be generated within the membership portal. And as you can see, it shows you a comparison of monthly revenue by course, any yearly revenue by course enrollments, so on and so forth. And now I'm going to be quickly switching back to the MapleLMS admin portal, where I can show you some inbuilt LMS reporting capabilities within MapleLMS. Allow me a moment to switch. So we're looking at a real-time dashboard within MapleLMS administrator account. And just to highlight, MapleLMS comes with 50+ pre-configured reports and dashboards, and further allows access and creation of customized and real-time reports and dashboards on the basis of your permission and metrics selections. Reporting engine generates analytics on the member level, on the administrator level, and also at the management level. And additionally, these reports can be downloaded as well. Quickly walking you through some of the key features included in MapleLMS. And one of the most exciting features we have is a microsite. MapleLMS runs through a multi-tenancy architecture, providing you the ability to create microsites for members and partners. Now, Microsite allows you to sub-license MapleLMS and provide an independent custom-branded LMS platform to your member organizations and partners. So I'll quickly change to one of the partner sites and show you what happens. Now, if I switch to this partner site, you can see the look and feel and the branding of the system completely changes, and this is the same for all their members and users. So if we switch back to MapleLMS, we'll see a different branding, the original branding we saw earlier. And since we're talking about branding, let me just highlight that MapleLMS is a fully white label solution. Now that means it's highly customizable and you can completely change or customize the interface of the platform with your own branding and color theme. Another exclusive feature you would find in MapleLMS is its seasoned online assessment certification, an AI proctoring tool that allows you to set up and conduct proctor high-stakes certification exams seamlessly. It allows access to question banks, author assessments with multiple question types and semantics. It also supports payment gateways, payment gateway integrations, and is highly securable and scalable. Also, this platform comes with highly advanced features such as facial recognition, a lockdown browser, and an AI proctoring tool. So I'm going to quickly walk you through these one by one. And we're going to go ahead and switch into the online exam or online assessment platform. So now we're into the online assessment platform, and this is a user account I'm going to use for the demonstration purpose. And first and foremost, let me just highlight this platform. You see the user interface. It's very simple and easy to use interface. And it mainly helps your learners or examinees, especially when they're conducting any high-stake exams. You want your users to have a very easy-to-use experience, keeping in mind that the entire platform was designed for ease of use. Also, one additional feature you get with platform, which all learners get, or the examinee gets, is to try out the platform before they actually go into the exam or take the exam. So your learners or examinees can use this feature, Try Exam Demo. This will allow them to test the platform. With the help of that, they can identify if the platform is working well with their current configuration, with their browser, or if there are any problems. That way they can identify the situation, they can assess if everything's working fine, and if there's any problems, they can get in touch with their administrator, with the exam admin, before they conduct the exam. This platform provides a chat tool for the examinee to connect with the administrator with any setup issues. This actually helps them avoid any situations during the live examination. And also we could see that all the upcoming exams would show up on the dashboard. Right now we have configured one of the exams. So let's just quickly go ahead and try out the exam. Also, just a short overview about the face recognition and users authentication on this assessment platform. So MapleLMS's face recognition features help in validating the examinee and ensures that the right individual is attempting the exam, and only if the face match is successful, the candidate can take the exam. As we can see here in the exam configuration, we can see that this states that this exam will require a face match, and the exam has been configured so that students may only attempt it using a Respondus lockdown browser additionally, right here. Also, to highlight a bit about the lockdown browser, in order to ensure a cheat-proof exam, MapleLMS's lockdown browser restricts a user access to any other function on the system, such as navigating to a different tab, using communication apps such as Skype, GoToMeeting, Zoom, WhatsApp, and so on and so forth. ensuring the integrity of the exam. We're going to try out face match. Let's quickly jump in. Before we validate ourselves, let me show what happens if the person fails to validate. My associate is going to put his hand over his camera and take a picture. And now we can see that the system has failed to validate the image. In this case, he'll have to reattempt. So he's going to take a picture again. So the system has verified him now, and he can return to the attempt. And let's just continue with the examination real quick. Again, a simple and easy to use interface that you see here. And one of the most important things that I would like to highlight is if you look at the right-hand corner over the top, you would see that MapleLMS's AI proctoring captures images, and the system is consistently monitoring the user, as well as video feed is available to the proctors in real time. Let's quickly complete this exam. And on the back end, I'll show you some of the analytics proctors can generate. I'm just going to take these questions randomly, and we will finish the attempt. Then we're going to go ahead and click on Submit All and Finish. And this will confirm that we have completed the exam. So this exam has been completed now. Let's just go back into the back end, one of the admin's accounts, and I'll show you what kind of reports and what kind of proctoring reports we can generate. I'm going to Exam Proctoring Reports, and this is the exam we are looking at. If you see, the system is recording frequency and also the attempts and giving you multiple indications in the form of flags. It shows you what kind of items were being captured during the entry and also during the attempt of the exam. We can see there are quite a few items captured by the system. We'll just go over here and click on the details. And if I click on Show All Points, it will show me all the instances where a face match was failed and where a discrepancy was captured by the system, and also the instances where the system was able to record no discrepancy. This way, proctors can take advantage of this feature, and this works in real time, so it helps them make decisions real quick. Also, I mentioned earlier that all the data within MapleLMS is synchronized with the help of a two-way integration between MapleLMS and Fonteva. So with the help of this two-way integration, all the online exam results, proctoring reports, certificates generated, other such data in the form of transcripts is all mapped within Fonteva, and admins can view, generate analytics for the reporting within Fonteva. That will conclude today's demo. I hope you found this demo was helpful for everyone, and I thank you so much for watching. Feel free to write us at care@MapleLMS.com, or you can visit our website, that is www.MapleLMS.com. Thank you.